asked by many of you through the Gmail that you write into us, and you want to know whether manifestation techniques are correct, whether something like this called as manifestation also exists or not. So today I'm here to clear a picture about this. See, you need to understand first of all that manifestation does exist, okay, and it's a very strong and a very great medium of getting what you want in your life, okay, provided you have the correct way, you know the correct way of doing it and analyzing it also at the same time. So let's get started on this. So see, let's talk about what manifestation really means. Spiritually now, it means anything that is theoretical, anything that is written, okay, or you're thinking about, bringing that alive. That is the spiritual meaning of manifesting anything in this universe. First, you need to be very clear on this. Okay, that what is the meaning, spiritual meaning of manifestation. So anything theoretical, bringing it in real form is manifestation. Now, I've written some points about manifestation positive techniques, which I'll be reading out one by one. So now it may sound like magic to so many, but it's not magic. This is a slow process and it's an art. Manifesting something in your mind and implementing it and bringing it to life is an art. It doesn't happen overnight. First of all, be very, very clear on this. Okay? It needs correct intentions to start with. Your intentions have to be extremely crystal clear on what you want. Okay, you cannot be confused about what you want, or you rethinking it. Do I want this? Do I need this? Or am I looking for something else? No, you need to be very clear on what you want first of all. Okay, so and a correct thought process, which is also very important. Okay, so for example, let's take an example of if you want to buy a car. Okay, because everybody these days loves, you know, to buy new cars. You know, now. So now your target is buying a car. Now buying a car can have so many things around it. Okay, it's in the internal content of buying a car will have step-by-step formations to it. Okay, so you have to start manifesting step by step. How? I'll give you an example. So first, you will choose which car you need to buy. You need to be very clear which model of the car you want. Okay, what you want, a second-hand car, or do you want the brand new car you want to buy for yourself? You need to be very clear on these two things. So you will pick one of that. You will choose the color of the car, you will choose the brand of the car, then you will choose the model of the car. Okay, so this is how you will make the clarity in your mind about buying a car. Then possibly in a realistic way, you will now start thinking that what is the target? Is it 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, the time period that you want that car to be with you? Okay, but it should be practical. Now don't think today I started manifesting, and tomorrow I wanted a car. It will not happen like this. So today I started manifesting, within a week I'll have a car. No, it takes 6 months to sometimes 1 year or 2 years, also depending on the art of manifestation and how strong your intuition is and your imagining and implementing power is over that. Okay, so then you will start thinking about the resources of it, that what are the resources? You will take a bank loan, you will take some loan from your friends, or are you trying to get some bonus out of your office? All these things needs to be, now see, this is a brain activity that's happening. You're imagining it, you're wanting it to happen, so all these points have to be very, very clear in your mind. Once all that is done, okay, once you're clear about what you need, then you will start your thought process. Every night before sleeping, you have to think about this car, how it looks like, how you have to imagine yourself even driving that car. You have to imagine yourself sitting in that car and driving it also. Okay, it may sound funny, but that's the way it is. Okay, and it really works. And it's not a one-day process, it's a prolonged thing to do. But if you do it consecutively, it really, really helps. Okay, so day and night you seriously think about this car that I need to buy and the model and everything, the visualization of it, all of that. Okay, you need to do. Now always remember that dreams that don't let you sleep, okay, are the real dreams that actually, you know, come into reality. Okay, this is a proven fact. Okay, scientifically also this is a proven fact. So always dream about things, but do not sleep with your dreams. Make it happen. Dreams which never lets you sleep, you have sleepless nights, then you think that this is actually what you're actually looking for from within. Okay, this is what the thing is. You can also do one thing, you can stick a picture of your car, whatever model is, in front of your on your room wall, somewhere near your workstation, anything. Okay, now once all this you're doing in a consecutive way, now you will light a diya. This is the second step to it. You will light a diya. You will imagine that car, you sitting in that car, and that car inside the flame of that diya. Okay, the oil diya. Now it can be mustard oil diya, it can be the clarified butter, ghee diya, any kind of diya. Okay, you will imagine that car inside that flame. Okay, and you will try to look at it consecutively. 21 days you need to do this process. Okay, surely this should be continued without any break for 21 days. Get into the habit of manifestation. Now, I have come across people 2 years, 3 years, some people 5 years, they kept on doing this, some people within 6 months also, okay, and they really got what they wanted. Okay, so like I said, it's a work of lot of patience. Okay, you need to be very, very patient on this, and correct intentions. Faith is very, very important. Without faith, nothing is possible. If you will think, what nonsense video is this about, that without, now I'm not saying do not work hard for it, of course you need to work hard for it, but working hard along with this is a helping hand, that you're wanting this from within so much that you're always imagining about this. Okay, your internal system, your consciousness is imagining about this and making it, you know, first think and then making it into reality is what you're doing. Okay, so that's about it. If you keep your karmas clean, if you keep your intentions clean, you keep your faith strong, sooner or later you will get what you want, because the universe and the cosmic energies which are positive, the positive cosmic energies will help you to get what you want. Okay, so this is the correct way of positive manifestation. Okay, so dreams can definitely come true if you manifest them correctly. Okay, this is the way I would end this video. In the next video, I'll be also talking about blocking the negative manifestation. There's another topic, interesting topic. So we'll talk about that in the next video. Till then, goodbye.